Greetings all and welcome back to Math in Anger. This is episode 10 and today we are looking at how do you add that you have removed something. And yeah, this is my best artist rendition of a brick wall. So I'm going to do a little bit of an exercise for you and follow along because the question is, how do I add to this picture the fact that I have removed this brick here? Listen carefully to what I'm saying, because the way in which we speak makes it difficult to explain this concept. So carefully, how do I add to this picture the fact that I have removed this brick? And this is how, right? Yes, I have removed the brick, but understand that I added to this picture here the fact that I have removed a brick. It does come down to take the brick away, but uh, it is important to understand that I have changed this picture with the fact that I have taken the brick away. I have added to this picture the fact that there is now a hole, the fact that there should be a hole in the wall, right? I know it's weird. Trust me, there's a reason I'm getting to this. Right. So here I have 5 more than nothing, and I am adding to it the fact that something was removed. And that is in balance with 0. And yeah, now a lot of you are going to say, but hold on a second, isn't that just this? And ooh, no. To explain the difference between this and that, let me do this. All right, I'm going to put that over there, and I'm going to put this over here. And we are going to go back to our balance scales. And we're going to need 2 of these. We're going to have one over here. And we're going to have one over here. Watch this. On this side, what I'm saying is I have 5. And I am removing 5. On this side, I am saying I have 5 and I am adding to it the fact that 5 was removed. Sorry, there we go. 5 with the addition of -5 is in balance with 0. Let me do this again. On this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove 5 more than nothing. And on this side, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and add to it -5. Do you see the difference in these 2 pictures? Do you see that just because something is in balance with another thing doesn't mean they are the same thing? So when you see this, what is written on this side and what is written on that side of the equal sign, yes, it is in balance, but it's not the same thing. Okay? Are you beginning to understand why it is important to understand the equal sign correctly? Look at that. Look at that. Just because both of these things are in balance with 0 doesn't mean they are the same thing. Right? And again, this, I know it sounds weird. I am fully aware of that. But by the time you get to this kind of thing, understanding that becomes incredibly important. So yeah, again, the fact that this was never explained to you, that is why you got to grade 8 and started getting into trouble with math. Right. Please know there's a difference. Yes, they are in balance. This is 100% true. But they are not the same thing. They are just in balance with each other. Again, the word equals. It means in balance. It does not mean okay? Right. This was Math in Anger episode 10. I hope you learned something. I'll catch you in the next episode. Ciao.